Before we get to the Supreme Court case that could have a major impact on public safety, we have to talk about the High Court's repeal of Roe versus Wade. Attorney General Merrick Garland came out quickly with a statement against the decision, saying that the court eliminated an established right essential to women's liberty. What can the department do to blunt the impact of the loss of this constitutional right?
Well, let me just start by saying that the decision is absolutely devastating. I have worked on these issues a very long time on protecting reproductive freedom and women's access to abortion, among other civil rights issues. And as much as we knew that the leaked opinion was out there, nothing quite prepared me, as I think nothing quite prepared many of us, for the gut punch that happened on Friday when the opinion actually came down, removing a constitutional right that has been so core to women's liberty and freedom for 50 years. And so the Attorney General did come out with a statement. It was much longer than most statements he issues or that the department issues, and he did that very intentionally, not just to express strong disagreement and disappointment, to say the very least, about the Supreme Court's decision, but also to describe all of the areas that are of intense focus for the department. We are going to look at every available tool, using all of the tools that we have, and he listed out what some of those issues are, and the areas are, including abortion medication, interstate travel, and the like. But the reality is, while all of these areas are very important, and we are going to fight every day to protect reproductive freedom around the country, our tools are not the same as Congress's and Congress's ability to pass a law, and we continue to call on Congress to enact legislation that will protect the right and access to abortion for people who need it. But we will fight every day to do everything we can using the enforcement tools and other tools that we have in this area.